Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today's video is going to be on April 2019's Boxycharm, and I have some feelings about this one. So if you want to see what I got in my box, just continue watching. So this month's theme was peace, love, and boxy, and then I got variation number 6. So the first item in my palette is the Pure Festival palette, and this retails for $36. This is how this palette looks. I have some opinions about that palette. Stay tuned for the try on. The second item in this box is the Luxie The Summer Days 3 brush set, and this retails for $28. This is actually going into my BeautyCon giveaway, so that's why I haven't used it. I haven't opened it. I have a lot of brushes and I want to give some back to y'all. The next product in this box is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Purple Dream. That's the highlighter that I have on right now, and y'all, I have some opinions on this one too. This was the product that I was most looking forward to, and look how it looks on my face.
Purple, gold, purple, gold, purple, gold. What are you?
The next item in my box is the Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss. Now, I am not a lip gloss person, so this one is also sealed up and going into my BeautyCon giveaway. The next item in my box is the Bodyography Eye Pencil, and it is Bali Bronze. This is also going into my BeautyCon giveaway. In total, our box was worth $124, and if you guys want to see me try on these two products, that's about to begin right now. So the first product we're going to be trying out is the Festival palette by Pure, and let me be real with y'all, I have some opinions on this, and this is not going to be a first impressions because I was trying this out last night. I actually already hit pan on this shade right here. If you guys can see, there's a little tin ending at the bottom, and that is pan. The first shade we're digging into is going to be Hidden Desert, which is this shade right here. It looks like a brown. It comes off more burgundy-ish, if you guys can see that. But we're gonna pack that all up in our crease with the Morphe M321. Following that, we're gonna go into Epic, which is this burnt orange right here with the Morphe M507. Tapping it out and then placing it above Hidden Desert. Following that, we're going to go back into our Morphe 321 and go into All Night, which is the darkest brown in this palette. And we're going to pack that in our outer V. Now we're just going to blend with no extra product with our Morphe M507. And now we're going to cut my crease using my Dynamic Duo, which is the P. Louise Eye Base, and my Olimar shading brush. Y'all, second opinion about this. This brought a sample of the Get a Grip Pure Eye Primer. I can't use it. It made my eyes so sticky and so texturized, I just couldn't. So my third opinion is about to come through. I always use my Anastasia packing brush to pack shimmer on my lids, and it 99.9% of the time never fails me, so keep that in mind. We're gonna go into Psychedelic. This is without the wet brush, and try to pack that on to where I cut my crease. Do you see how I'll just pack some more? Do you see how this compares to this? Dry brush, wet brush, same shade. I don't mind wetting my brush, but there's a huge difference. So now I'm gonna wet the brush and show you how this magic happened on my lid. And then I'm gonna dig back into All Night and my Morphe 321 brush and pack that All Night in. So now we have a nice look going on. My opinions, the mattes are good, the shimmers are not. The glitters are actually good. The only downfall is that I hit pan already and I didn't even use it that much. But I'm gonna be putting a glitter on my lower lash line after I come back with my face beat in. So we are back, and what I did was put 24K Magic on my lower lash line using an eyeliner brush. Lastly, you can't really tell, but I went into Free Spirit, which is this one right here, with my Real Technique shading brush and put it on my inner corner. It is not beaming, but then I wet my brush and it's still not beaming, but a little bit better. Now we're gonna try the Artist Couture Purple Dream. This one is kind of scaring me because it looks gold, but it's called Purple Dream. So I want to know why it's called Purple Dream. Hopefully it doesn't show up purple on my cheeks, but I'm using the Luxie Tapered Highlighter for this one. Oh my god. This is really weird. So I need to explain this highlighter to y'all. Okay, it looks gold and then it shifts into purple. It looks gold here. I'm confused. But we started, so we shall finish. Such a weird highlighter. That's what we have on our face, and I'm not taking it off. Oh shit. Oh, this is funny. So yeah, we only tried out these two products from this month's box, and sadly this palette was not my cup of tea. This highlighter is okay, but it has like purple shifts that I don't know how I'm feeling towards. But on the bright side, I have this Luxie brush set, this lip gloss, and this eyeliner all going into my BeautyCon giveaway. So that is a little bit more makeup on top of all of the shampoos that came in that hauler bag. So look out for that soon. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. And I hope to see you all soon. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. Bye-bye.